Walkers from Franklin and surrounding towns gathered October 20th at Somerset Presbyterian Church on John F. Kennedy Boulevard for the 40th annual Crop Walk for Hunger. Over the years, the Somerset Walk has raised about $140,000. Participants such as Anthony Roberts of Manville said they were walking to remind people that hunger still exists in the 21st century.
We're walking today to raise awareness. In the 21st century, we still have issues with hunger on every continent. There are people who are hungry, there are people who are starving, there are people who do without. Meanwhile, we have nations that have plenty. This walk and walks like it raise awareness so that you, me, all of us who don't have to worry about going hungry can stop and think for a minute and do something towards ending hunger around the world.
Okay. And who are you walking with today?
Today I'm walking with my family, my oldest daughter Elizabeth, my daughter Gianna, and our two boys, Alex and Tristan. My wife Dana has volunteered. She'll be the nurse for this event as well.
And what it means for us is that weekly we collect non-perishables and deliver them to the Franklin Township Food Bank. But being the host for the community, it means that we bring everybody together, and collectively the community is reaching out to help one another and others who cannot help themselves. We find that there are those who, what we call the working poor, who find themselves going to the food bank. And what this does is not only helps the food bank, but we also support Church World Services. And 25% of what we will raise today will go to Franklin Township Food Bank, with the other 75 going to Church World Services that will help people to build wells and provide clean water for women and children and men, so they don't have to walk so far to find clean water. We have walkers from South Bound Brook, from Bound Brook, from Franklin, from First Baptist, Middlebush Reform, from St. Matthias, also from Trinity Lutheran Church. I hate to leave out names, but not only that, but people who just want to say, we want to help. So it's a very large turnout, and we're very proud and happy.